Darren, how does this make you feel?
GTF, eh?
I think you're strangely comfortable with this now.
Yeah, totally.
Are you upset?
Yeah.
What are you upset about?
You.
Why are you upset with me?
I don't want to take a video, like.
We'll just take a video, eh? Darren, those are a sweet set of pens. What's your brand?
Let's just go.
You want me to go?